Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into two well-known open-source CAD platforms, LibreCAD and FreeCAD. We tested both to help you decide which one fits your need in 2025. Let's start with the basics. LibreCAD is focused purely on 2D drafting. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect if you're working on floor plans, schematics, or technical drawings. FreeCAD, on the other hand, is a full parametric 3D modeling tool. It's much more complex, but also far more powerful, ideal for engineering, mechanical design, or even product prototyping. LibreCAD Pros: simple, easy to learn, runs on almost any system. Cons: limited to 2D and fewer advanced features. FreeCAD Pros: 3D parametric modeling, modular workflow, and wide format support. Cons: steeper learning curve and heavier on system resources. In our experience, LibreCAD was great for quick drafting and smaller objects, but for complex assemblies, simulations, or detailed modeling, FreeCAD clearly offers more. So, which one should you use? If your work is strictly 2D and you want something lightweight and fast, LibreCAD is a solid choice. But if you're serious about 3D modeling or need parametric design tools, FreeCAD takes the lead. Have you used either of these tools? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.